Welcome back. I'm Ryan Ong, and this is our preview of Windows 10. For this video, we're using the developer preview. That means that the software is riddled with bugs and glitches and compatibility issues. Audio is non-functional and the Fire Explorer crashes frequently. So please, don't use this on your main computer. This year forward, Microsoft skips the moniker of Windows 9 to apparently avoid bad luck and announced Windows 10, the next installment of the Microsoft saga. Windows 10 has a fresh aesthetic that honors the Windows designs of old. It's familiar, yet takes cues from other modern operating systems. Its clean design evokes that of its Windows Phone companion and even Chrome OS. It's simple, understated, and refined, which makes for a very comfortable interface. Microsoft has cleaned up the multitasking a lot with Task View, which provides a refreshing and efficient way to switch applications compared to the finicky left swipe panel of Windows 8. It definitely takes cues from Apple's Expose feature in Mac OS X. You can also add and toggle between virtual desktops, which act as different monitors to reduce the clutter. And yes, that takes its cues from Linux workspaces. Applications from the Windows Store are now fully integrated into Windows 10 and behave almost the same as standard Windows, so it no longer feels like you're absurdly switching to and fro in a bipolar operating system. And the Charms bar, which was terribly executed, has been completely replaced by the Notifications bar. It still feels kinda undercooked and superfluous, but tablet users will definitely appreciate the quick settings and access it offers. Which is another thing, settings is also cleaned up. Gone is the separate settings for the menu interface. Instead, you have a cleaned up and tasteful menu that is pleasing to the eyes and simple to use. Almost too simple. Its vague descriptions make it hard to navigate, and I found more than usual relying on the search bar instead to find Device Manager. And the best part of all, the Start menu is back to its full glory. Even better, it's a successful mix that pays homage to all the past Windows iterations, one that still manages to keep with the motif of Windows 8 in a non-intrusive way. And say goodbye to the search bars of old. Windows 10 is the first and only operating system on the market that includes a native personal voice assistant, Cortana, that in some ways is far more powerful and capable than Apple's Siri. You can do anything from having her send out emails to singing short snippets of songs. After almost 2 decades, it's finally time to say goodbye to Internet Explorer. Microsoft has left it out to pasture and has announced Sparta, another Halo reference. While it isn't available yet for testing, Microsoft promises that it will be fast, take that modern Google Chrome, and ready for the next generation of the Internet. Windows 10 is shaping up to be an excellent successor to Windows 8. It takes the necessary steps backwards to accommodate its main market, large-screen desktops and non-touch laptops, while still taking the right steps forwards. Rather than adding features that benefit only touchscreens, Windows 10 adds features that actually benefit the operating system itself. But is it the best operating system? We don't have an answer yet, although it technically will be free for everyone. At the moment, it's riddled with bugs and glitches that break the experience and make it impractical to use. But one thing is for certain. Microsoft has a bold vision, one where all its smartphones, tablets, gaming systems, and computers are united under a singular operating system. And that is a future worth waiting for.